Welcome back to my video. And today we're going to open this slime like I showed you at the beginning of the video. So, I need this camera to be angled. So it's angled down. Let's see. Far enough down. Okay guys, so this slime is pink on the top. You see? Pink on the top. Okay, so yeah, pink on the top, but I need this to be brighter so you guys can actually see the color, so I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm back with some light. Now it can't be too bright, but it can't be too much bright. Okay guys, so that's way brighter now. I'm betting you guys can see it. Sorry if you just heard that. I was just folding up a chair and then putting it away. So yeah. Now this slime, I think it sticks to me a little. Not a lot. Okay. See guys? Oh. Okay, so we're just gonna take it out of the container. I'll just take it out of the container. And then I need to grab the excess slime on the lid. Off the lid. Might seem crazy, but I'm about to say. Okay guys. So, I'm sorry about that. You can't see. I'm just going to start mixing and mixing this together. Okay guys. So, yeah. We're just gonna keep seeing what the slime turns out. Oh. After I mix the pink in with it. Oh gosh, guys, I don't think I want to play with this slime because it's sticking to me. Okay guys, we're just gonna play with a different slime because this one sticks to me too much. So yeah, I'm just gonna put this back in the container. Okay, so it's back in the container. And I will go grab another slime for my slimatory. Slime closet, let's call it. So, okay guys, so I'm back with this slimery. Okay, so this slime is really hard to get out of the container, but I got it. Now this has glitter and tiny foam beads. So yeah, I actually like this slime. This would be a good stress ball slime. Okay, so I just need to make it in. No, that still didn't work, but sort of. Okay, guys. So, wow. Let me just pull it apart. Okay, guys. So yeah, this is a really good way to show my slime to people. Okay, but please, you guys, subscribe and watch more of my videos that I come out with every, maybe, I don't know yet. This is like my second video that I've uploaded, so yeah. But yeah, that's what the video is gonna be about today. And I hope you have a great day. And if it's your birthday, which maybe it's your birthday, I don't know, happy birthday if it's your birthday, I don't know. Okay, and please watch more videos, subscribe, and like this video. Bye!